We are here at Beaches Turks and Caicos doing a room tour in room 6121, Key West Village. This is a 1BG category, ground level garden view. You've got a kitchenette, full oven, stove, microwave, lots of storage cupboards, full-size refrigerator. Coming over here, you have a washer and dryer with complimentary detergents to use. A nice living space with plenty of chairs. Table with 4 chairs, a couple of extra chairs. Over here you've got a television, some storage space. This is going to be a trundle bed, so sitting area, or it pulls out to sleep additional people. We are on ground level, so you have a walkout patio with some nice comfortable chairs out that way. This particular unit has a view of the interior area of Key West Village. Again, Beaches Turks and Caicos, the #1 beaches property in the world. You have a nice queen size bed in here with another television. More doors for patio. You can see the table and chairs out there for seating. There is a safe. Plenty of hanging space with hangers. A pocket door on the bathroom. So as you come in here, you can see it is stocked with Red Lane Spa products. Separate sink area from the shower and toilet area, so you can be in brushing your teeth while someone else is taking a shower and getting ready for bed, or getting ready to go out for nightly entertainment, which is all going to be listed on the television activities. Again, this is Beaches Turks and Caicos, Village West, category 1BG, room 6121. This is Epik Destinations. You can find us at epikdestinations.com. That's Epik with a K. Or T. Erlinson at dreamvacations.com.